I'm kinda getting hungry. Oh, and it's my lunch break.
Somewhere in the hallway. Oh, I just love this song.
Oh, yeah, me too.
So where you headed?
Oh, I'm just going to McDonald's for my lunch break.
Wow, me too. Isn't it weird that we both like the same band and the same song, and we're both going to the same lunchroom at the same time in the same elevator? Your voice makes me so hot.
Okay.
Handlebars.
Just stay away from me.
Handlebars. 5 seconds later.
We're sorry, but McDonald's will be closing now. Please come again. Great. Now I have to eat at Subway's. Subway's. Eat fresh.